Welcome to the first lecture on conic sections. So conic sections are curves which we obtain by intersecting a cone with a plane. Let's see how we can do that. So here I have a three-dimensional space and a cone is a three-dimensional surface. So I will add that cone here. This is a double-napped cone. How that this surface is generated is by rotating a line along a fixed axis, in this case the z-axis. So if we rotate a line with a fixed angle along the z-axis, then we get this surface of revolution, which we call a cone. Now, how do we obtain the conic sections? So conic sections are type of curves which we get when we cut this cone with a plane. So I have a plane which is cutting this cone along a fixed with a fixed angle, right? So based on at what angle it cuts the cone, different kinds of curves are obtained. So say for this case, we are getting a kind of pair of straight lines passing through a point. So if we change the plane, the direction of the plane or the angle at which it cuts or the point at which it cuts, so that we get different kinds of curves that we can see. At some point we get a circular or curve, we get parabolic, hyperbolic, or sometimes we get ellipse, a point, or a pair of straight lines. This is how we obtain conic sections. These are the sections of a cone. We get from that, we get, so mathematically we will be good discussing one by one what a conic, how each of them is defined in terms of mathematical equations. So for each surface, each curve, we have some mathematical uh, representation, algebraic representation. So we'll discuss in the coming lecture.